Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about exception handling. So let us understand what do you mean by an exception. So exceptions are basically the error which are occurred when you execute the code. This error can be a simple error like when you divide a number by 0, and it can be a complex error like your file is not present. So to handle those exceptions, we use something called as try and except block. Now in Python programming, we have two types of exceptions present. First of all, we have something called as built-in exception. Built-in exceptions means these are predefined error which is present in Python programming language, such as zero division error. Then we have custom exception. Custom exception means these are the error that the user defined by itself in order to handle some specific error scenarios. Now let us see the practical. So let us talk about the practical. So first of all, I am going to talk about inbuilt exception. So let us say when you divide a number like 5 divided by 0. So when you divide a number by 0, it will throw me an error which is called as zero division error. Now let us try to open a file which is not present in our system, like file equal to open, and here I am specifying the file name which is, let us say, abc.txt, comma the mode which is read mode. Now it will throw me an error which is called as file not found error. Now let us define a list. So this is a list. We have 1 2 3 4 5. Now let us try to access a element which is not present in the list. For example, if I try to write list of 7, it will throw me an error which is index error, like this index position is not present in the above list. Similarly, we have some other types of error, like if I print, let us say, ABCD. So here I have not defined this variable, so it will throw me name error, like this variable is not defined. Similarly, we have other error. You can see that there is a list of error which is already defined in Python programming, like we have arithmetic error, assertion error, attribute error, and there are many more error which is already present in your Python programming language. So this is all about inbuilt exception. Now I will talk about custom exception. Means these are the errors which are created by an user to handle the custom error scenarios. So you can define your custom exception using try and except block. So let us say, first of all, you have to write try, then your statement that you want to execute. For example, I want to divide a number by 0 and I want this error to be get handled. So what I'll write, I will write except, then you have to write your error name. So my error name is, if you remember, it is zero division error. So zero division error. So instead of throwing me an error, it will print me a custom message like print the number can't get divided by 0. So here you can see that instead of throwing me an error, it will print me a custom message. So this is what we call as custom exception. So with the help of try and except block, you can handle the exceptions present in your code. Now we have one more keyword which is present in this code, which is called as finally block. So the finally block will be executed no matter if try and except will be executed or not. So this is basically the benefit of using finally. Like if try and except does not even work, also the finally method will get executed. So let me take this example. Here what you have to do, here you have to write one more keyword which is called as finally, and here you can print one more message like this is custom error. So you can see that here except is also get executed and the finally is also get executed. So this is all about exceptional handling in Python programming.